put all the brody stuff in this little barrel. Oh, is that what that is? Oh God, that's horrific. That smells horrible. No wonder they didn't go in there. They were like, why are they trying to make me go in here? Oh.
This is what the dog, it used to be the dog run, show them the dog thing. And now we're turning it into a raised garden, but first we have to till the earth and get rid of this grass. You can't eat grass, and the dogs don't eat enough of it to make it worth it. I want to open up some of the sunlight, so we're going to trim back the tree a bunch. But we don't want to get rid of the tree because it still provides some shade. So spinach needs shade. What else needs shade? Turnips. Not turnips. Radishes? I don't know.
I need shade.
So we don't want to get rid of it all. After using that motor oil on this, it really worked out. The goal is to open up this ground area to plant and not be bothered by the trees. We want some shade. Oh, because then we could put a seating table here for us to do our sowing of seeds, or iced tea. Also, we could plant the ones that attract bees. What are those called?
Flowers?
Yeah. Like marigolds. I think marigolds grow in the shade. I keep making that up, though. Yeah. All right, today's task is to dig up the dog poop, I guess, composter machine that Joshua got for the dog run. It's this thing. You bury it, and you put the poop inside of it, and I guess it's supposed to break down. I don't think it has. Oh, and then unsnip that from the fence and move that to the other side where the chicken coop stuff is, or fencing, and then bury those branches. Ew. I just dug it out. It's just liquidy poop. What's the name of it? Supposedly you can't put these in clay, and that's why this one doesn't work out very well. A button to pump?
It's not recording. Let me push play. Oh, it is.
Full start.
All right.
1, 2, 3.
I don't think you're supposed to hold this brake down.
Oh, there we go. Oh, look, that was to stop it. This isn't that a brake. This is the Dang it.
Well, damn! I'm over it. You're in trouble.
It.
You're in trouble now. You're in trouble. You're a good dumb.
I guess we're done for the day.
There I am. Now I'm recording. Thank you, ma'am.
It hurt your stomach? Yes, gastric. It probably has a big cut now.
All right, there we go.
What happened, Grandma? You want to pull it right here?
What?
Alright. So it has to go that way.
Wait, Grandma, you doing that?
Like how I'm
You're
pulling it,
doing
like
that
this,
for
straight.
our little
This way.
like bicycle thing?
Baby! Baby!
Pull it like this.
Baby!
Yeah. Pull it straight out.
Want to go trampoline?
Oh my
Do that for a
I
little
guess they
bicycle
fall into the
thing.
hole.
Oh, I got scratched again?
Oh my god, no.
Alright.
The fence hates you.
Take it that way, let it fall.
Now.
So, I gotta dig all that grass up.
David's got the weed eater.
He ain't gonna weed eat that lump of grass
Why not?
because it's dirt and grass. So,
Goddamn deeds, dirty deeds.
Really, David?
Goddamn deeds,
Move, Carter! Carter, move!
dirty deeds. Goddamn deeds, those dirty deeds.
That is all poop, Reg. All of it.
shit on top of the bucket.
Well, that bucket was under the ground, so it fell to the bottom, actually. That's what they do best.
Please stop screaming. What movie is that?
Ah.
Alright. I gotta take this board off too. But I guess I can get to that later.
That's the one I think we're going to turn that way, though. Well,
Use
unless
this board to come over there.
we're not using it for our wood pile.
Oh, here we go.
there trying to weed eat, you gotta,
What did Rex say?
you gotta pull this stuff up and get rid of it. Weed eating ain't gonna help the situation.
Oh,
All this gotta go.
Rex act like he a farmer now?
oh, John Henry.
Oh, so you a farmer now?
He's a lead farmer.
Not that part. It only you're supposed to eat the whole flower to get it.
That's some really good dirt. Look how thin it is.
Yep. For the poop.
Is that why we didn't want to grow the tree collards here? Because it was dog poop? Maybe it doesn't matter. Can you throw that grass in that hole to partly fill it?
Well, it's
Cause,
gonna be filled because we got a rotative.
yeah, but then people on TV, they like throw grass and bushes and stuff and fill the hole.
Is that right?
It's called horticulture or some kind of growing. What's it called, David? Hugelculture.
Who will
Who got culture? Yes, we do.
What the? Oh, that's the thing we need for the damn shed.
Oh, well, that's over here.